Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make sourdough waffles. So let's get started. So if you've seen my sourdough starter video, you'll know you end up with a lot of discard. So this is a recipe that will use the discard. So stir it together if any liquid has separated from it. Then add it into a large bowl, along with the flour, sugar, and buttermilk, and mix them together until just combined. Lumps are fine, you don't want to overmix the batter. Wrap it in plastic wrap and leave it at room temperature overnight. Try not to keep it in a place too hot or too cold. Between 65 and 75 degrees is best. After it has rested, add in the eggs, melted butter, salt, and baking soda, and mix them in just until combined. Again, don't overmix the batter. Then just heat up a waffle iron, grease it if you have to. Mine is non-stick, so I don't need to. And just pour some of the batter into the iron. Try not to overfill it, it will rise a lot. And cook them until golden brown. And once they're done, remove them from the iron and place them onto a cooling rack. And just continue making more until all the batter is used up. And that's how to make sourdough waffles. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.